3B. The Cuckoo Clock.
Would you like some cream in your coffee, Mrs. Clark?
Call me Kate, Karen.
OK. Cream? Kate?
No thanks, Karen, but I'd like a little milk. Thanks.
Would you like some little cream cakes, Kate?
Thank you. Did you make them?
Yes. Take two. Here's a cake fork and here's a...
Excuse me, Karen, but what's that next to your bookshelf? Is it a clock?
It's an electric cuckoo clock. It's American.
Is it plastic?
Oh, no, Kate. It's a hand-carved wooden clock. It was very expensive.
Well, it's exactly 6 o'clock now and it's very quiet. Doesn't it say